Hey my lovely creatures, you all are welcome back to our channel once again. How are you all doing? If you are new here, this is your girl RosesGlam, and on today's video is going to be our day 17 workout challenge. Don't mind me, I'm not a professional, I'm just doing my thing, just trying to keep fit, just trying to shed some weight because it's affecting my health generally. Okay, so we are going to kick it off. We are here to get our skipping rope, but today I'm going to start with jumping jack. From jumping jacks, I'm going to go to the floor for variety of plank. I'm not going to waste time today because I need to take kids to the swimming classes. So they are back from school and I've been busy since morning. I've not done anything. So let's just kick it off and see what we can achieve today. All right, so let's go. So guys, I'm deeply sorry that I've not been posting for about a week plus now. It's not that I did it intentional. There's family emergency that came up and it has really taken my time, although we're still on it, but now it's a bit better than compared to last week. So I'm really sorry. There's nothing I can do. It's beyond my control. I have to face it and sort it out before any other thing. I'm really sorry. I don't know how to apologize, but if you've been following me from day one challenge, that is the reason I've not posted. So now let's go ahead and complete our challenge. I said it's a 30 days workout challenge, and this is our day 17, like I said. So we're going to round it off and see what next we can do. All right, so let's just finish it up.
Sipping on my lean and I'm with my fucking team. Sipping on my lean and I'm with my fucking team. I said I'm sipping on my lean and I'm with my fucking team. Sipping on my lean and I'm with my fucking team. I said I'm sipping on my lean and I'm with my fucking team. Sipping on my lean and I'm with my fucking team. I said I'm sipping on my lean and I'm with my fucking team. Sipping on my lean and I'm with my fucking team. I said I'm sipping on my lean and I'm with my fucking team. Sipping on my lean and I'm with my fucking team. I said I'm sipping on my lean and I'm with my fucking team. Sipping on my lean and I'm with my fucking team. I said I'm sipping on my lean. My fucking team.
We have come to the end of today's workout challenge. I know I didn't do it for a long time. I have to do something. Even if it's 5 minutes, it's something. So this is our day 17 workout challenge. I'm done and dusted. I'm going to get the kids ready now. We are going for swimming. I would have stayed longer, but we are going for swimming. So it's part of exercise, isn't it? So we are going for swimming. I won't record there because we are not allowed to take any video recording. So I'm sorry about that. So we are going to go now, and I'm going to leave you guys in peace. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. Thank you. Leave your opinion at the comment section. I would like to read them. And you know what? Do share my video. I'll catch you guys up on a day 17, on a day 18 workout challenge. Okay, thank you so much. You know what? I will see you tomorrow. And don't forget, RosesGlam loves you all. Bye for now. Bye. Take care. Bye. Like this video and share.